What's going on, guys? Crypto Hoy here, and in this video I want to give a quick update on big guys. So if you guys know this saying that when something is too good to be true, it probably is too good to be true. Well, those are my sentiments right now towards big guys. I already seen some, like red flags from the beginning, but now it has really intensified and it has expanded even furthermore. And I'm gonna explain why. First, let's start off by what you guys see right here. Okay, so right here it says stage 10 has started. Okay, just think about the title, stage 10. Okay, I remember pre-sales back then used to only be just one pre-sale, just a single sale, and that's it, right? Just one pre-sale. Now they're doing it into different levels, and they started doing like 3 or 5 different buckets of prices or stages, how they're calling it here, right? Different levels, different tiers of pricing, and the sooner you got in, then the cheaper you got. You were able to buy it, and I get it. That's a way of incentivizing. That's fine, but are they kind of pushing the boundaries here a little bit too much by going by 10 stages? And if you think this is the last one, I don't think so. I think there's still more. All right. And I'm going to show you guys here. I'm going to show you guys that here in a bit. But look at this right here as well. On the bottom, it says enter promo code launch big guys to 200, and you can copy it and paste it here, and you will receive a 200% bonus. It's like they're really pushing to sell this to you guys, like they really want to get a whole bunch of people that they can to really buy this. Okay, they're really trying to sell this to you. And like I was saying before, okay, that stage 10, I don't believe is the last one. It could be, okay, I could be wrong, but looking at this right now, it doesn't look like it's the last one. Okay, so right now their price is at 0004 when it's their pre-sale stage 1 was at 0001. Now is at 0004, and it looks like they're aiming to get to 0006, which is their launch price. All right, until they get over here. And so and I mean that means that there's more stages coming up. Okay, so it could be like what stage they're gonna get to, stage 12, 15, 16, I don't know, but just by looking at this and comparing this, that's what it looks like. That's what that's the picture they're painting, to me at least. Now if that wasn't enough, is look at this right here. Now this right here where it says the moon $1, all of this right here are of course selling tactics, but at this point, they're kind of going a little bit past the boundaries and just selling you straight up the dream. They're straight up selling you guys a dream. Now, is this possible? Yes, it's possible. Anything is possible, really. But is it probable? And that's when things change. Okay, I don't think it's probable for them to reach $1. Why? Because let's do a quick check. How many tokens are there? There's a total of 200 billion tokens. And let me double check. That's 100,000 million billion. So there's 200 billion tokens. And of course, it says here no tax when you buy and sell. Okay, that's great. And based on this tokenomics, which they call Qtonomics, 70% of the tokens are going to be sold via the public pre-sale, which is what currently is happening over here right now, which is this right here. But let's go back. And then it says 20% is going to the exchanges, and 5% for marketing wallets, and finally 5% is going to be visibly held for charity. Okay, when you sum all of these up, it equals 100%, which is the total of the 200 billion tokens. Now for these tokens to reach $1, okay, that will be $200 billion in market cap. And guess what? When we go here to CoinMarketCap, who currently has that amount of market cap? It is Ethereum. So you're telling me that, based on this right here, they're trying to sell you this dream, is that they can reach $1 to the moon and pretty much be competing with Ethereum at the same market cap. You see, that right there, it doesn't seem really realistic. Not even Binance, that offers more utility, okay, way more utility in comparison with big guys. They're not even there, okay? They're not even at the same level as Ethereum. They're at a quarter of a way. They're at $52 billion market cap compared to, with Ethereum, which is at 200 billion. So actually it's more, not even, yeah, it's actually more. Oh no, I think it's a quarter, yeah, because, yeah, anyways, my bad. It's early in the morning. I haven't had breakfast, sorry. But yeah, so they're like a quarter of a way to getting to Ethereum. But look, even Binance cannot even reach Ethereum at this moment at the current price. How can we expect big guys to also reach $1, with their total tokens, which is 200 billion, which will have to reach $1 each? That will be 200 billion. and compete with Ethereum. Okay, so we just have to like think about this reasonably, okay, logically, to see if it's possible or probable. So I just wanted to make a quick update about that as well. Now there has been a lot of speculation about this. Could this be a rug pull? Could this be another pump and dump? Or could this be another long pump and dump? Long pump and dump means that it doesn't happen right away. It waits until it gets to its highest point that it can reach before it actually dumps everything. It's kind of like making us believe that it's not a traditional pump and dump that happens right away, but instead it takes a while, right, for it to occur. So I don't know, because this is the thing. Okay, we've seen what happened with Tune Finance. I already covered that in a separate video, and it's really horrible what's happening right now. I've been hearing a lot of horrible stories. Okay, and I just feel bad, and I feel sorry for those who actually lost a lot of money, because people were not able to trade, and some that were able to trade, they were not getting the value that they were expecting. There was a loss of like 90%, and it's just really, really bad. And I covered that at a separate video. You guys can watch that. I think I made 1 or 2 videos about it. I don't remember, but I already made an update on this, and it's not looking good. It's really, really bad. Now, could that be happening to big guys? In my opinion, I honestly don't know if it's going to be one of the two. For me, we have here the Coin Sniper and we have the Audit. In my opinion, my humble opinion, okay, and not financial advice, even with Coin Sniper and Audit, it doesn't mean anything to me anymore. Coin Sniper just means that they're docs with them, but not with us. Okay, so keep that in mind. Coin Sniper only means that they're docs with them, but not with us. So we don't know who they are. And even when you go to their Coin Sniper website, it says this project is KYC certificate. It does not always guarantee a safe investment. Always do your own research. So they also give their own disclaimers. Okay, that's fine. But doesn't really mean much. And what about the audit? You might think, okay, well, they have an audit. Well, this is the thing about the audit. The only thing that tells us about the audit is that the token is real. Okay, that the token is real, and they haven't found anything, that everything is passed. Okay, and just the technical aspect of the project, that's all it really tells us. But what the audits fail to kind of tell us is their intentions. Okay, so the audits only provides us with the technical aspect of the project, but not the intentional aspect of the project. Again, audit only provides us with the technical aspect of the project, but not the intentional aspect of the project of the owner. So even if this says here 100% secure, contract fully audited and by Solidity, finance shown by 100% secure, and all this stuff, how many of us have already seen projects that has been already audited and Coin Sniper, and even docs, even the owners being docs, they show their face and it still ended up being a pump and dump. It didn't last very long. Okay, so we just got to be careful out there, guys. And like I always say, only invest what you're willing to lose. And throughout the way, throughout all these pre-sales investments, you're going to be taking loss, because at the end of the day, the real winners is not you and me, the retail investors. We only have, in my opinion, a 33% or less of winning on these pre-sales. And winning, I'm not saying by a huge amount. Maybe you could 2x, 3x your money, okay? And that's already for me a win. But most of the times we end up taking a loss. And the real winners are the devs. The devs and the owner of these tokens, they're the ones really banking over here, okay? They're the ones really making a lot of money on all of this, to be honest. And they're not, subject to any accountability, because they can pretty much get away with it right now. Cryptocurrency right now is the wild, wild west. Pre-sale right now, pre-sales ICOs is, in my opinion, the wild, wild west. It's not like in stocks IPOs, where there is some regulations and there are some rules you need to follow before you even go to be public in the stock exchange. Okay, there are some things you need to steps you need to take and involve an actual bank. I'm not gonna get into that. It's very, very different than an ICO. So an ICO is just crowdfunding on a project that haven't delivered any project, while an IPO, you need to be an established business to even start going public, or even release or launch an IPO. So, but those are things for another video, I guess. I already covered it partially on a separate video, but right now I just want to focus on big guys. So just keep those things in mind, guys. And yeah, if you guys found this video to be helpful and informative, make sure to help support my channel by giving it a like, subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and activate that bell so you never miss another update. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.